How to redeem Denny's birthday reward. Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we'll be discussing the process and some of the steps by which you can redeem your Denny's birthday reward and receive it as well. First of all, you need to get signed up to the Denny's reward program. For this, you can just go and visit the official website. Provide your information such as name, email address, and the birth date. Once you have signed up for the Denny's reward program, you will receive a coupon for a free birthday breakfast during your birthday month. This coupon will be sent to your email address. So you need to keep an eye on your email inbox near your birthday. Denny's will send you the coupon for your free birthday breakfast. You can redeem your birthday reward by visiting a Denny's location and presenting the QR code from your digital wallet when checking out. The birthday reward is only valid for dine-in and can be used during your birthday month only. But remember, for this, you must be a member of Denny's reward program and sign up in the year of your birthday to receive the birthday coupon. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.